In this video, we are looking at this beautiful house in Nebraska, USA. So the house is built using 5 shipping containers stacked in 2 pairs separated by a foot-plus space in between the containers, creating a flexible layout compensating the little or the constrained dimensions of shipping containers. This is the general approach to the house, showing the main entrance and a beautiful outdoor deck embracing the existing trees. From the main entrance, you get into an open plan living space which is well appointed with high quality finishes through and through. The house exhibits the industrial finishes by showing off the exposed container corrugated roof. We have these exposed air conditioning ductwork and also the original plywood floors, which are left in its raw state to expose and celebrate the industrial charm of the design. The infill space between the 2 containers is finished off with a beautiful wooden floor to contrast the original plywood floors. This is a closer view of the kitchen. I like the kitchen island, this beautiful artwork. We have a breakfast counter that can seat 4 and the beautiful horizontal glass window showing a picturesque view of the yard, and this open shelving with a beautiful kitchen backsplash. You will notice the retention of the original container cargo doors, which can swing open to make this place a well-lit indoor kitchen space. This is another view of the living room showing the kitchen area and the lounge space. You will notice this beautiful pendant lighting above that breakfast counter. This is a view of the living space showing an extension of the glazed staircase shaft. A nice view of the staircase shaft showing this fountain and indoor planting, a beautiful space to sit and unwind. This is a closer view of the lounge area, and you will notice the original plywood floors have been retained also in this particular section. There's also this yellow painted container cargo doors opening directly into the staircase shaft. We also have this garage style door that slides open, connecting the indoor living area to the outdoor deck. This is another view of the lounge area showing the lounge seat, the wall-mounted TV screen. You'll also notice we have industrial finishes exposed fully in this particular area, including the external mounted conduit works. It's a general view of the living area showing the lounge and the kitchen in the background. This is another view of the staircase shaft showing the indoor garden with the fountain and these indoor plants. Another view of the staircase shaft showing the full height glazing at every level of the house. This is a single flight staircase connecting to the upper story of the house. That's a beautiful view of the master bedroom. It is well lit and well appointed. I like this beautiful headboard made out of timber and the industrial finishes surrounding every space. The exposed air conditioning ductwork. We have the exposed container corrugated walls. We have the original container cargo doors which act as shutters and are painted in a beautiful shade of color, giving industrial vibes through and through. The indoor plantings also add a bit of life and contrast to this bedroom space. Another view of the bedroom space. You will also notice the retained container cargo doors, but in this particular instance, this one is painted in a deep orange color. A closer view of the lounge area of the master bedroom. We have this hammock style swing basket seat. This is a view of the bathroom. I like the lighting above the horizontal slit window, and we have the double vanity. A beautiful view of the master bathroom. It's a view of the closet with enough space at different levels. A closer view of the dressing table. This is a view of the rooftop deck with vantage views of the forest and the neighborhood beyond. This is a small office area. This is also a view of the rooftop deck from inside, a view of the rooftop deck from inside the house. Mandy, what did I say? This is a view of one of the bedrooms. Another view of the bedroom. A view of one of the bathrooms. A view of the bathroom. Wow. This is a beautiful space at the basement level of the house. Is a fully equipped guest unit in a studio style arrangement. The view of the bathroom. A view of the bathroom showing the glass shower cubicle and the toilet. Oh, this is the lounge area, and you can see the view of the outside opening onto the outdoor living space underneath the house from the basement level. It's a closer view of the lounge area and the breakfast counter that can sit four at the basement level. This is an outdoor view of this basement level from the guest unit. The same view with the forest area beyond. So what do you like about this amazing shipping container house? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If there's anything you like about this house that you would have wished to have been done differently, also let us know. For us, we love each and every detail about this house. The workmanship is top-notch and the spaces are well appointed. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.